Guys, the Lamborghini is here and I'm super excited. It's in my favourite colour as well, red.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Looks alright, doesn't it? Come on through, let's get you in.
Okay.
Have you driven anything before in your life?
Myself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've driven 2 Lamborghinis.
Really?
Yeah.
Doing better than me. We're going to get you in, take a photo, and then I'm going to move the seat so you can reach everything. Alright, so just pop yourself in, okay?
I'm very excited. Yeah.
You just get your foot brake on, don't touch the gas pedal, okay? Don't go away.
So, this is going to be my 3rd time driving a car. I've driven an SVJ.
I'm going to get in the aerial atom as well later. Oh, excellent.
SVJ, Huracan, and now another Huracan.
Well spotted.
This is my 2nd time driving a Huracan.
Wow. Not a lot of people can.
Yeah, Mr. Govs.
Oh yeah. Can you shut the door? Take a photo, then shut the door for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, ready for the picture? Oh, thank you.
Wonderful. God, it's like being famous, isn't it? Ollie, if you can just push that brake down as hard as you can for me,
Yep.
and then press this button 3 or 4 seconds.
Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous to see my little boy driving on a Huracan, but it's his car 1 of 3 today. I think he's just about to start it up.
Just keep pressing it, press it a bit further. That's it. Try again, just keep the brake down hard. Let go of the button and push it in firmly. Just keep it in. You have to do it for 3 or 4 seconds. There you go. Just keep your foot brake on, okay? Okay, while you've got the foot brake on, the paddle on the right, just click it towards you once. I'm just going to put it in manual mode. Now initially in this car you won't need to accelerate. When you do come off the brake it will just drag itself forwards. I'm just going to wait and see what this white Ferrari is doing, so just bear with me just for a moment. Your guess is as good as mine sometimes up here. Wonderful. So, okay, just off the brake pedal. About 1 centimetre of gas, just very gently, okay? A little bit of pressure on the gas pedal, follow that white Ferrari. Hello. Just watch out for this one here, he's not paying any attention at all. Okay, go up a gear, just pull the paddle on your side. Good. Keep that position. Let's go up another gear. In front of you, you'll see 2 sets of standing blue cones. Can you see them in front of you there? We're going to go between those, okay? So a little bit of gas.
Do I go?
It's in between the standing blues. So you come on the gas, keep going, and then you're going to bear right between the standing yellows.
Oh yeah, I see.
Okay? The ones that are laying down are pointing where you go. Stay nice and parallel. A bit of power for me. Keep it straight. After these 3 greens we're going to turn left. So off the gas pedal, no brakes. You're too good, you need to brake. Just a little bit of gas, just push yourself out. Best way to do it is just turn your arms upside down so they touch each other. Don't do that on a driving test, but it just works up here. Smoothly on the power. Aim towards that little line of orange cones in the middle. Let's go up a gear. We're going in between the standing blues. Can you see them in front of you there? And then the same again after the blues, slight turn to the right between the standing yellows. Don't need to brake at all at this point, just focus on steering through. Big cheesy smile for the camera. Wonderful. Nice and straight. Good. Off the gas, no need to brake at all. After these 3 green cones, we're going to do that U-turn again. Okay. So round we go. Very soft on the gas pedal. Just don't hit the aeroplane. Don't hit the aeroplane. Smoothly on the power, same line again. Aim towards the standing blue cones. Let's go up a gear. Good. Don't need to brake, just focus on going through. So in between the standing blue, standing yellow. over to the right, you've got it. Stay parallel to the grass on the gas pedal for me. Let's go up a gear. Off the gas, keep it straight. You don't need to brake, just don't accelerate, and do the old steering thing for me. Wonderful. A little bit of gas. Wonderful. Good. Let's go up a gear. Off the gas. I don't think you need to brake, you're looking good. Okay. Towards that camera car. Nice and parallel to the grass, back on the gas for me. Off the gas, just a touch of brake. Good. Off the brakes, no gas, round we go. Got the idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Smooth on the power. The circuit shouldn't change. Up a gear. Good. I don't think you need to brake. It's always there if you want it, of course. I don't think you need to. Standing blue, standing yellow. Little squeeze of gas. Nice and powered out to the grass. Nice and straight. You've got it. Keep it straight. Perfect. Off the gas. Just touch the brake very softly. No brakes, no gas. Round we go. Smoothly on the power. A bit faster. Let's go up a gear. Off the gas. Try not to brake. As you go through, big thumbs up for the car. So little thumbs up, that's it. Keep going, keep going. Look at that. Whee! Beautiful. Hey. Off the gas, little dab of brake for me. Off the brakes, no gas. Round we go. Perfect. Follow that Ferrari. That's not something you hear every day, is it really? Follow that Ferrari. Let's go up a gear. Good, beautifully done. Beautiful. Just don't hit the cones, you know where you're going now, so a little squeeze of gas. Good. Follow him round. A little bit of gas for me. Start to go to the right of him. A little squeeze of power. I'm just trying to get his attention before we overtake him, so stay with him. Go up a gear. Try not to brake. It's only a Ferrari, don't worry about it. Get a little bit closer. He knows you're there. Get a bit closer to him. Overtake him on the right. On the power. Straight line. On the power. Go. Faster. Faster. Off the gas. Brake quite hard. Off the brakes. Round we go. Don't want to get stuck behind a Ferrari, do we? Back on the gas. Up a gear. Up another. Keep going. Off the gas. Try not to brake, just steer. Stay powered out of the grass. Back on that gas. Off the gas. Keep it straight. Brake a little bit for me. Beautiful. No gas, no brakes, just steer around. Little squeeze of gas. Up a gear. Off the gas. Just brake very slightly. Off the brakes. Do you want to do the old thumbs up again as we go past the camera car? Right, stick your arm out the window, go on. A little bit of gas, keep it nice and straight. We've now done the 3 miles in this car, so if you can stay on the right, we're going to pull in. Can you see the orange cones in front of you?
Yeah.
Just go between a set of those. Off the gas. Let's go through the middle set there. Wonderful. Steer around to the left, not quite so sharp as we did on the circuit. Just don't run your dad over. He might moan about that. If you can go to the edge of the grey surface, straighten up, round to the left a bit. ready to drive the other car.
How was that, Oz? Good?
Oh yeah, he's ready for the next few now.
You ready, yeah?
Wonderful. Big silver handle in the middle when you're ready. Okay.
Come on. How quick did you get?
I think I got like
I think we touched 20 at one.
No way.
I went 52 miles an hour.
No way?
Yeah.
You got 52?
Yeah.
Oh, might be
That
nice
is
second race.
crazy. That's the quickest you've ever driven yourself.
Yeah.
Excellent.
How was it?
There's
Good?
a target then, isn't
Yeah.
it? Hey, there's a target.
Exactly. Out of 10?
10.
10? Wicked. So you ready for the next one?
Mhm.
How was your instructor? Was he any good?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah? You sure? Wicked, wicked, wicked. Who is this cameraman? Do you know who he is?
I don't know who it is.
I'm just going to go get the next car so you can just sort of launch around.
Appreciate it, thank you.